welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we'll be cooking pounded potatoes and bitter leaf. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process, we'll be needing some clean Irish potatoes, bitter leaf and a bonnet pepper, palm kernel oil, some salt and stock. In a pot, I'll be adding in my potatoes alongside some water. I'll be adding in some salt. I'll cover and allow to simmer for about 15 minutes. At this point in time, I'll be coming in with my bonnet pepper and my bitter leaf. I'll allow this to sit together till the water in the pot dries up. At this point in time, our water is all dried up. I'll be adding in some stock and my palm kernel oil. With my pestle, I will mash this together. Here's the outcome, guys. Please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section what you think about this dish. You can have this with a chill glass of wine and thank me later. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.